I've been covering the ZORA Airdrop recently, but I want to go and make a full in-depth guide on how you are able to go and earn this airdrop and what you can do for it. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and this is the ZORA landing page. Now, what is ZORA? Well, ZORA is a marketplace for NFTs. You are able to create, sell, look around, support creators, kind of like a creator's economy situation. But how are we able to go and earn this airdrop? Well, there are two ways, and we start off with the first one. These are some of the NFTs that I took for this video. You can also create yours. I will show you how to do it. And let's go and look at this. Now, as a NFT marketplace, you need to go and provide NFTs, provide liquidity, buy, sell, offer, trade, etc. And how do we do it? Well, I have all of these NFTs, which by the way are super important that we farm this one, that we mint this one and not the other ones, because these one are the official from the ZORA channel itself. So most likely this will be counted towards an airdrop as well as other, yes, but this one we have the certainty that it will support also the ZORA ecosystem, which could then potentially go and make sure that all the minters are rewarded for it. So how do we do it? Well, these are the links down below. I'll leave you all the links down below and you can go and mint it yourself. As you see here, it is very simple. You click on mint. Once you go and click on mint, which we do have it right here, you can go and mint it for X amount of tokens. Now, mostly all of the NFTs are free, for so to say. There is only the mint fee or the gas fees and all of that, which as the price of right now, it is at the $2 version, which we see over here. Mint is the same one, and it is a 0.000777 ETH. And what are we looking at? Well, let's go and mint, for example, one. You can mint one, you can mint three. The price is always the same. You can mint 11, 100, you can mint however you want. You can add a comment. So we go and mint with a comment. We say crypto with Lorenzo, for example, over here. And we go and mint one, which simply means right here. Now, before we go and mint, just to let you know, you can mint on ZORA, you can mint on Blast, you can mint on Arbitrum, you can mint on Base, OP mainnet, and Ethereum. So let's go with ZORA. You can mint on every different protocols, and if you want to bridge them, you can go and utilize the bridge to bridge funds from one to the other. But if you do not have funds over on ZORA, which you can receive by the best one would be Jumper, which I will link down below. You bridge from any protocol to Jumper, but if you have them on Arbitrum and Ethereum, whatever you want, we go and do it over on ZORA, and we simply go and mint our NFT. So this is step one of receiving the airdrop. Now, the airdrop could potentially be that you need X amount of NFTs to be eligible, but I do believe that it is important how many you have, but it also believes how many gas fees you go and burn for this protocol, because it does look kind of like what the bridge is doing. This, for example, is another NFT from the image.zora.eth creator, which is the official ZORA creator. And we're going to go and mint also this one. So the more that we mint, the more possibility we have to receive an airdrop. And it looks very much kind of like what the bridge is doing, which, for example, is a point-based system on the NFTs or the gas fees that you go and create. So, for example, 2.56 per every NFT transaction. Now, I know not everybody got $2.50 to go and burn for an NFTs every day or so what, but I will take you the most important NFTs of every day, every video. I will go and emphasize a lot of this because it is very simple to go and earn, and it is very important for you to understand. But also I want to tell you how are you able to create your own NFTs in case you want to go and do it. Well, I will leave you the official link to go on the minting session, which is this one, for example, with your photo and everything. And for example, this one is one of mine. Now, I do create this one, and I want to create a day-by-day selfie portfolio on my ZORA portfolio. Very, very simple, which if you do want to go and support me and mint it as the one before, it is absolutely free. There's only the mint fees to go and pay for it. But if you wish to, thank you very much. If you do not wish to, or you don't have the funds, don't do it. Don't mint mine. Go and mint the official Zora.eth NFTs. This one is just a 1+ if you wish to, but don't do it. But now that we created mine, as I see, I can mint, I can sell, and I can do whatever you want. I can send it to friends, etc. How do you create yours? Well, over here, if we go to the homepage, and why am I emphasizing on ZORA? Because this one is one of the best NFTs. I will leave it linked down below as well. This is Arbitrum in collaboration with ZORA, in collaboration with Azuki. this one of the most talked about NFTs. There's only less than 60,000 minted. And some of these other from the ZORA official page, there's 3,000 minted, 4,000. We go over here, 3,000. So I'm just thinking that this is so much underfarmed. And they did receive the $60 million raised on their funding raise. So they have a lot of money, and I do believe that it's going to be really, really big, and it is very, very underfarmed. So the most important thing is that you go and buy NFTs, and you can also sell them. Once you buy them, for example, over here, you can go to the NFTs and you can sell them, which is very, very important. For example, this one that we just went and mint, we can then go and sell it, reload the page, and we can go and sell it as well if we do wish to, as we see over here. Now, the other important thing that you need to go and do is to create one if you wish to create. You don't have to, but you can create it. And if you want to share your creation, come and join my Patreon. The link is down below, absolutely free. You can come in and join on the free version, and we can share our NFTs. We can talk about it, we discuss about it, and we can help each other to make transactions and help out. But to go, you click either here or here. So we click on create, and you have a collection. So I got two collections. I got the selfie and I got the test one that I did. Let's go and say that I want to upload the selfie of day number 2. So either I click on upload over here, or simply I will open the download folders and I will drag it in. And this one is my NFT. Now, in terms of the title that I want to give it, I will just call it day 2 over here. And now we go and talk about the pricing. So the rewards, the price, etc. Now, the image can load, can also not load. It depends on the Wi-Fi, how it's doing. So do not worry about that. But we have the price on the Ethereum. You do get rewards if people go and take your NFTs, if they go and support you. Yes, there is a creation fee, percentage, referral kind of things. But we can go to the advanced option. Here you see the mean duration. I want to go in this one for a year, as I'm doing a 1-year NFT. You can pay out the funds. You can pay out to directly yourself. One thing that I want to do is a split split funds. So I do want to participate with somebody over on my Patreon to go and create an NFTs, or maybe throughout the 365 days, I want to go and have every day somebody different in case people want to mint our NFTs, in case people want to mint my selfie, then that the revenue is split between me and you or entirely to somebody else. So let me know what you think about that idea down in the comments below. But as for right now, if you're alone and you're just testing it out, put on me. Mint start, edition size, and mint limit per wallet, just put unlimited. With this one now, you can click on mint, and you're gonna go and create the NFT, which as we see here, 0.0000004 Ethereum, which is basically not even a penny. We click on confirm and we go and create our day 2 NFTs. And this is another possibility for you to go and be eligible for the airdrop, even if people do not buy your NFTs. Or maybe one day you will go onto the trading, or you will be on the homepage just by uploading on a daily consistent basis. Potentially you could have it over there. And now this one is a picture problem, so I will go and mint it again, and you will be able to see it through the link that I provide down below. You will see the official one. But now you have created your NFT. You can go and share it to your friends. You already have one, so it automatically mints one. And what is the importance of this? Well, you can either go onto the discovery page. Maybe one day you just end up onto the discovery page. I do, however, see that onto the discovery page, it is better to add a comment within the NFTs, so that you see here, everything has a kind of a comment to it. Nothing is just left blank. So make sure to go and do it. So you can either mint NFTs on a daily basis when you have the possibility. All of this one, by the way, I will leave it linked down below. It is very important that this image.zora.eth NFTs you go and mint it, because they are the official one, and potentially could be one of the demands, could be one of the requests from them to be like, hey, do you have our NFTs? Did you support other creators? So it is important to also support other creators, and I will take you random one throughout the video so we can go and support. Maybe there is the request, hey, support 10 creators. You supported 20 creators, you supported 5 creators, or simply you supported us. So I will leave it link also one random one. I will go and pick this one over here. I will have it linked down below if you want to also go and collect yourself and mint one of this one. Let me just see that. Oh, this is the profile of the person. Okay, let's go and pick up on the first one. And let me just check that it is on a free situation, just only with the referrals, not the referrals, sorry, the gas fees linked down below. He will earn a little bit. Absolutely, yes. This is all about supporting creators. So if we go and mint these NFTs, he will get supported. and I will go and support him as well right now. So I will mint it with you right here. We can mint one, and let's reload the page, connect the wallet, and make sure everything is going smooth. And we go onto the mint. Yes, so this is only gas fees. We can go and mint it, we can go and support it. I will leave it link down below to support also this creation, which is definitely better than a selfie of mine. But this is how you are able to go and earn the ZORA airdrop. Interact with the protocol, buy NFTs, sell NFTs. Another thing that you can do, and you can see it over here on the offers, you can go and bid on different NFTs. You can go and bid, for example, on yourself. You can go and bid if you come to the Patreon. We can go and interact with each other and bid on each other's NFTs. As we see over here, I do have some people. So this could also be part of the airdrop. So make sure to go and utilize the whole protocol in its fully. But with that said, guys, make sure to simply go and farm it for now. Mint the NFTs. If you wish to support me, you don't have to mint my NFTs, but if you wish to support me, make sure to do it. And with that said, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you.